Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis, and you are back again for a whoa, I don't like all this da 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 da, like I'm a gangster or something. Like girl bruh, like why are we struggling to do my intros? Okay, boom, here we go. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis, and you are here for what? Another video, period, because we coming with the videos. I'm trying to be really consistent with you guys. So as you read by the title, I will be doing individual lashes. Let me just put this disclaimer out at the very beginning of the video for the people that might be in the back that like they ain't heard me. So I am not a licensed esthetician, cosmetologist, aka I'm not a professional. This is one of those videos where I'm not telling you how to do it. Well, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you how I did it. You did? You picking up what I'm putting down? Okay. I just want to clear that out because I'm not a professional. I don't want to be, you know the YouTube people be, you know what I'm saying, they be taking people's videos down. So I ain't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just telling you how I did something. I'm just giving you a demonstration. You dig? So yeah. This is going to be technically my second time, but that was like years ago when I did it. I don't even honestly remember. So we're about to wing this. I think I watched like 2-3 videos. So yeah, but this is gonna be, I would just say, like my official first time doing this, so bear with me. And like I said, again, I'm not a professional. I'm just showing y'all how I do this. And yeah, I love to teach myself things, and I know that I can do all of these crafts and things and services that, you know, we pay for, that people be charging an arm and leg for, honey, an arm and leg. So I'm just gonna do it myself. I got the Kiss Double Volume Ultra Black Knot Free IMV lashes. So it just looks like this. And I got the medium length or whatever, because I was in between long and medium, but I don't really, like, I've never even got real lash extensions done, so I just don't know how I would feel about that. And you know, I don't want to be given like blink twice and I fly off, so no. And then I also got the Kiss Pro Only Precision Lash Applicator, and it's just like these tweezers. Let me take them out the thing actually. And I got all of this stuff at my local beauty supply store. Oh, these are cute. These are getting professional. Y'all see the little thing on there? Check me out. Bing, boom, bop. Yo. TikTok lives in my head rent free. Like, I'm telling you, it's crazy. But as you guys can see, it's like these aren't your regular tweezers. It's like a little hook on there. You know, so I see a lot of the lash techs and all of that stuff use these type of tweezers, and I feel like I kind of understand the concept of why this should be a lot easier. So yeah, and then I just got the Ardell Professional Lash Glue. So I mean, it doesn't say anything fancy on there. It's just like a regular bottle of glue. Honestly, I just went to the front desk and was like, y'all got some lash glue? And he said, yeah. Run me up. So yeah. I'm gonna quit blabbing, but y'all already know. If you have not subscribed yet, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna give you the time. We got time to wait. I'm gonna give you the time. We got time. I will give you the time to go click the subscribe button. I want you to comment a little something, you know what I'm saying? Tell me my hair look nice. You know, what you want to see next. What was your favorite part of the video? You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. I give you that time. Go ahead and turn the bell on to know and get notified when my videos are being posted. But yeah, you guys, and speaking of hair, if you would like to see this style, this installment, and know all of the information about this unit that I am wearing, I will have the video link below, or either coming up shortly. I don't know the order that I'll be posting this, but yeah, so I do have a video on this hair, so if you like it, stay tuned. I'm gonna jump right into this video, period. Let's get it. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can really tell, but like I don't really have lashes. I don't have lashes for real, like, because I sit in like pull at my lashes. So, like, I literally just pulled one out just now. I don't know why I do that. I don't know. It's not even like a compulsive thing or something. I just be pulling my lashes out. I don't know. Like, if something's bothering my eye, I'm like aggressive. Like when I wash my face, I'm like splashing water, everything. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna try my best to not be super aggressive and, you know, be just mindful of all of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So what I'm gonna do, just open the lashes. So like I said before, these are the Kiss Double Volume Ultra Black Knot Free, and these are in the length medium. So we'll see how this goes. I don't remember what length I got before, but yeah. So I'm just gonna use this tray to pour a little bit of the glue out on there. I'm no professional. And we're winging this. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit and put some on there. Just like that much. Oh Lord. Okay, that should be enough for now. So these are like really, really nice. Like, I really like these tweezers. So I should have got a spoolie. Honestly, don't even feel like that did much of anything. I don't feel like I have lashes for real, like, because I pull them out. Hopefully, I was trying to show you guys like a before and after. So I'm just gonna, like, I don't really know what to do, so I'm just gonna like take one of these off. They all look the same length to me, so I'm just gonna pull one off. I basically have the end of it, like the knot part, facing me and like flared out like your actual eyelash. And what I'm gonna be doing is applying them underneath my eyelashes. I know you can do above, but I'm just gonna do underneath. Dip, like. And before starting the application, I did use one eyelash on the back of my hand just to practice the application process. That was a game changer. So for me, if you're left-handed, I don't know if this has something to do with being left-handed, but if you turn them like the tweezers, like, okay, I'm holding it like this, and do it this way versus the opposite way, it just seems like it's a lot better. Like, I was struggling, but I think I'm gonna get somewhere. Of course, this is gonna take some time, so you know. Cue the music, girl. I was struggling, y'all, but okay. I'm gonna try to show y'all. I need to like have another camera right here, but so the way I'm picking them up is like, well, I keep picking them up different ways. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Pick them up like this, right? You see? And then I take this. You see the glue. Oh, I shouldn't have black on, but you see the glue. You see this, and I just like dip it in there. It's very hard to see, but dip like that, and then lift my eyelid. That way I can see a little bit better. And I'm trying to show y'all too, but it's kind of hard. Just like that, just like that. I'm doing it at the same time to make sure that they both look as symmetrical as possible. But this might not be the best video to learn because, for one, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional. But also because it's kind of hard for me to try to be like super close here and then that. So maybe let me try to move the camera one more time. Okay, y'all, so I tried to readjust my camera to make it like a little better to see. It's kind of hard, but trying, we're gonna see. it off. Dip it. Dip, baby, dip. Right here you can see that I am just starting to layer the lashes on top of each other, as well as continuing to fill them in since I'm not doing the isolation method. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Hopefully I'm close enough. Yeah, so I think I did pretty good. I mean, for this to be like the first time in like years, it was a little struggle the first time, but I figured it out. I gotta get the angle and all that stuff right, but hopefully you could see enough. I will link everything down below, or at least just put a description of what I used. And honey, I love it compared to paying $80. I think a total this was $12, including buying the tweezers, the glue, and the lashes. And I didn't even have to use all of them, but there's still, as you can see, like a little bit left. But yeah, I honestly got to like the last 2 rows and felt like I was fine. But like I said, I'm glad that I continued to add a little bit more to give a little bit more like a dramatic look, but not like too dramatic, just enough where you can say, hey, like, you look a little different. What's good? Thank you guys for watching another video, and if you have not, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.